Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Marnelli, and if you guys are new, welcome and thank you for watching this video. And I hope everybody had a great Mother's Day weekend because I had so much fun, you guys. I spent time with families, with my mom, with my mother-in-law, with everybody, and we had so much flowers and gifts. So it was really a great Mother's Day weekend, you guys. So as you can see on the title, I am doing a Ulta unboxing or Ulta haul, whatever you call it. But I pretty much purchased some stuff from Ulta because their store is closed right now. So everybody, I'm pretty sure everybody's just, shopping online. The only stores that are open right now are Target and Walmart, but Ulta, all the stores, Ulta stores are pretty much closed right now. So if you guys wanted to see all the stuff that I got from Ulta, please keep on watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, feel free to comment below, and please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to click the notification bell so you will get updated with my next videos. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start. So first I'm gonna open the small one, the small box. I don't know what I got from here, I forgot, but you'll see right now. I pretty much purchased some MAC cosmetics and even some of the collection, the Selena cosmetics collection. So I'm gonna be showing that with you shortly. So this is how it looks like. The first one that I got from Ulta. So I got this NYX highlight and contour palette. I've been wanting to get this palette, you guys, because I've seen a lot of good reviews with this palette, so hopefully it works for me. But I've been wanting to get this one, but never had any chance. I always forget to get it, but yeah, finally I got it, you guys. So this is the first. I think this one costs, I don't remember, but I'll link the price down below. What's the price for this palette, but it's pretty much cheap with this type of palette. So I'll link down the price below. So this is the first one that I got from Ulta. Next one, I got some MAC cosmetics, like I said. So the next one, I got some powder blush from MAC, and I got two. So the first one is, I don't know what's the name of this, Melba, I think. Oh, okay, so this one is the Desert Rose by MAC, and then this one is the, so this is the Melba. So I've seen a lot of great reviews on this one as well, you guys, so hopefully it works for me as well. So I got two powder blushes from MAC. Then what I got, okay, so on my last video of MAC Selena Cosmetics Collection video, I stated on the comment that I didn't get the other shade for the lipstick, the Selena Vive, but I just realized that maybe I should get it, so my collection is complete, because I also got the other lip gloss, which is the Hey Dad Pizza. The only thing that I'm not able to get was the makeup bag, because it was sold out, you guys, and I don't know if they're gonna bring that back or restock the makeup bag. But I pretty much got the two of the rest of the lipstick collection. So I got this one. This is the Selena Vive. So I just decided to get it just to add it on my collection, so everything is complete. So this one is the Selena Vive, and I'm really happy because I got it. So it's complete, you guys. So this is how it looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys already seen the packaging, but the shade, and the reason why I didn't get it, because I just thought that this type of shade, I have similar shade like this one, but it's still pretty, you guys. It's actually a different shade, but this is how it looks like. And I'm gonna be swatching this for you guys, and I'm actually gonna be swatching also the blushes for you guys so you can see it. But this is how it looks like. Let me just swatch it quickly. So So this is how it looks like. It's kind of like pink peach shade. I don't know how you guys call that, but it's kind of like that peachy pink. So yeah, so that's how it looks like. It's pretty much, you know, it's a good shade. It's pretty. And of course it has a rose design on the lipstick. So yeah, so this is the Selena Vive, so part of my collection. So I'm gonna be swatching the blushes for you guys quickly. So I'm gonna be swatching, first is the Melba, and so this is how it looks like, the packaging. And oh wow, so this is Melba. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, right here. So this is Melba, you guys, the blush powder. I just thought that it's more shimmery, you guys, but it's more, well, obviously it says powder blush. Okay, so this is Melba. So it's kind of like also peachy shade for this one, but this is the shade Melba powder blush. So the next one will be, let me see, and this one is the Desert Rose, and also same packaging. Parece que está igual. Oh no, it's not. Okay. Okay, so this one is more like a rosy pinky shade, guys. And this is how it looks like right here. A ver, let me see. Parece que está igual. It looks like same shade as the Melba, but this is more like a rosy color. ¿Verdad que sí? Yeah, okay. So this is Melba and this is Desert Rose. So, but it looks similar shade. Yeah, let me see, hold on. Okay, let me know, what do you think? So this one looks more peachy and this one looks more pinky. But when I swatch them both, they look similar to me. But this is Melba and this is the Desert Rose. So yeah, but I mean, it will look different when you apply to your, you know, to your foundation probably, but parece que están igual. They look similar to me, so okay. So yeah, so those are the blushes, powder blushes that I got. So I'm gonna be moving on to the next box, the big box. So what I got from the big box was, so I got this Mascara Glue from by Duo. And I got the dark tone because I've always using the white one. So I kind of like wanted to try the black one, how it looks like, if it's more like transparent when you apply with your mascara. So I got this one, and I'm actually running out of my mascara glue, so I decided to get another one. So that's the other one that I got from Ulta. I got my invoice right here, and then I got some hair products as well. I don't know why they put it in the bag. Look. Oh, maybe because if it's filled. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so before I go move on to the hair products, so I got the Hey Dad Pizza, another MAC Selena cosmetic collection. Yay, it's all complete. It's all complete, you guys. So I got the Hey Dad Pizza. Okay, let me see. This one was sold out as soon as pre-ordered started. It was sold out, you guys, but look how it's pretty. So pretty, you guys. Look at that. It's more like a golden bronze shade. I don't know how you guys call it, but it's more like a bronze type of shade. Let me swatch it. So this is the Hey Dad Pizza. So this is how it, oh my God. This is so pretty. Right there. So that's the shade, you guys, for this lip gloss. So my lip gloss are complete. So they only have 3 shades of lip gloss for the collection, for the MAC Selena collection, La Reina. And this is the Hey Dad Pizza. It's so pretty, you guys. Let me try it. Let me try it, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try the Hey Dad Pizza lip gloss, you guys. See how it looks like. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it's more like a golden bronze shade, but it's so pretty, you guys. I don't know if you guys see it. Yeah, but it's so pretty, you guys. Yeah. So yeah. So this is the Hey Dad Pizza. So this is the Hey Dad Pizza lip gloss, you guys. It's so pretty. So yay, my collection is complete. Fine. Okay, so moving on, the first product, the hair product that I got was the Design Essentials Natural. And this is basically a blow dry and styling primer. So before you blow dry your hair or even styling your hair, you pretty much apply this one. And this basically a lightweight, okay, so lightweight conditioning blow dry lotion that primes the hair for blow drying and silk pressing. Yeah, so pretty much, you know, before you blow dry your hair or even styling your hair, you pretty much, you know, apply this one. So I never tried this one, so hopefully it will work. So you just have to shake it and then just spray all over your hair. So yeah, and this is actually was on sale, you guys. That's why I purchased it. So that's the first one. And I also got oh my god, this is kind of sticky, you guys. Okay, so this is a bed head hairspray. Extra strong holds hairspray. So I ran out of hairspray, you guys. That's why I decided to get another one. But this is just pretty much hairspray, you guys. So yeah. So that's the other one, the hair product that I got. Next product or last product that I got from Ulta is this Infinity Pro by Conair Blow Dry. So this is how it looks like. So it has a bonus blowout brush. I'll show it to you guys. Oh, right here. So that's the blowout brush, bonus brush, and then it has the diffuser right here, and it has the concentrator right here, and of course the blow dry itself. Let's see. So this is the blow dry, guys. It's so pretty. It's really cute. Really cute, you guys. Right here. See how cute it is. So this is how the blow dry looks like. And right here is the heat settings. So it has hot, warm, and cool settings. And right here is the speed settings, you guys. The high and low, and of course the off button. So yeah, I like the color, you guys. It's so pretty and it's really cute. So this is the Infinity Pro by Conair Blow Dry. So I decided to buy this, guys, because I had my blow dry for many years, almost 20 years, you guys. And one day it just gave up on me. Like, I seriously got really upset and really sad because that blow dry was my first blow dry ever, and it gave up on me, you guys. And I get it, it was really old, so I have to literally, you know, purchase another. So basically this is the second blow dry that I purchased in a years. Like, I've been using the one blow dry, you guys, but I have to buy another one because it's no longer working. So I was really sad. But this one it was actually on sale from Ulta, and hopefully it will last forever. So yeah, and I like the color because it's pink. I like pink color as well. So it has a 1875 watt salon styler, so hopefully it works for me. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, so hopefully this one works for me. So yeah, so there you go, you guys. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about the products that I got from Ulta, especially the blow dry by Conair. If you have any great reviews about it, comment below. If not, comment below as well. And also the palette by NYX, the blushes by MAC, hairspray, and also the hair primer. So just comment below, you guys. Let me know. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll get updated with my next videos. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.